Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is sabudana khichidi, that is for vrat special sabudana khichidi. Let's see how to make it. Take 500 grams of Varalakshmi sabudana, empty the contents in the bowl and leave it in the water for 20 minutes. After then drain it. After 2 hours, you will get sago like this. It is ready to make khichidi. Take a pan, put it on the stove and put at least 250 grams of groundnuts and dry roast them for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the groundnuts are roasted. Now let them cool. Now we will make the fine powder of it. Now take half of the roasted groundnuts and grind them into powder. Add the grounded powder to the sago and mix them well. Take a bowl and keep it on the stove. Now add some 2 to 3 spoons of ghee. Let the ghee get heated. Now put some curry leaves. Put some coriander leaves. Now mix it well. Now add some groundnut seeds. Now put the sago. Mix it well. Cook it on the low flame for at least 5 minutes. After 10 minutes, the khichdi is cooked. Now take the khichdi into the serving bowl. It's ready to eat.